Cranbrook began in 1904 as a family retreat in the countryside near Detroit, but quickly developed into an arts and crafts community. It was the dream of George Booth and his wife, Ellen Scripps Booth. An immigrant to America, Booth started his career as a business manager at a Detroit newspaper and rose to become its publisher. Booth believed in the power of creativity. Both a pragmatist and an idealist, he found a way to give form to his dreams. Working with Finnish-American architect Eliel Saarinen, the pair embedded Booth's values into the walls, the grounds, and the buildings of Cranbrook. What they built is an unlikely assortment of institutions: a private elementary, middle, and upper school, a graduate art academy, and a public art museum and science institute. At Cranbrook, there is always a balance between that which is ordered and that which is free. Formal gardens on the campus give way to meadows and forests, tumbling out over 315 acres. Geometric forms link the landscape with the architecture, harmonizing the smallest details with the grandest views. Saarinen and Booth collaborated for the first time in 1925 on an upper school for boys designed in the English boarding school manner. Saarinen's genius was to find the appropriate form and expression for Booth's ideas, giving each new institution a unique character that suited its purpose. Handmade wrought iron gates, stone carvings, and a randomly placed brick were Saarinen's way of saying, "This place was built by man, not machines."